Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. Hi guys, this video is about how to get iPhone X features on older iPhones. So, let's get started. First, open apps with a simple swipe up and to the right. Works just as fast, and you could just of course get in the app switch, and then close it out using swipe up or clicking the minus button. But if you were within the app switcher and you just swipe up and you just go at home, it won't close that. For this, you have to hold down the power button in order to activate it. Just like the iPhone 10, you get everything from iPhone 10. Okay, so from the top right, you get the control center. Firstly, you gotta be on is 1.1. Then install ELECTRA file, the jail and zip up free from the App Store. Go ahead and run the jailbreak. Once you have done that, I'll also leave a link to where to download this tweak itself. Go on the top right corner, direct download, then open Unzip, a free unzip the file. Then go to Files R, then click on the little star down here, go to Apps Manager, go to Zip Up 3. And head Documents and Bullet Files, Fluid Enabler, UC Lip Heads Wind Jack. Go ahead and copy both the files, and then jump all the way back and get up to the up on there, on the top. So, go down to US, here. Click on USRlib as we inject and paste both the files. It may not work for the first time, so keep on trying, as it took me a lot of time to paste both these files here. Then, go ahead and turn off your device. And then, on once. It's been turned on. Go ahead and run the REBOOT bit once again, and after the phone rings, you'll have the tweak installed. And there we have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this. I love this tweak, and there are so many tweaks coming out now that we have the Olivine jailbreak is here. Please leave a like and subscribe, and for now I signing out. See you in the next episode of Get Smart with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Peace.